Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to showcase 10 amazing tools that will undoubtedly make your work easier and more efficient. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or someone who simply loves getting things done around the house, these tools are must-haves in your arsenal. So without further ado, let's dive right in.
Number 1. The Vichunho Glass Lifting Suction Cups is a versatile and reliable tool designed to make lifting and handling large glass panels, laminate floors, tiles, windows, mirrors, and even car windshields a breeze. Priced at $25.95, this suction cup features a sturdy construction with a thickened aluminum alloy handle body, ensuring both durability and lightweight handling. The aluminum alloy engineering handles are designed with a non-slip texture, providing a comfortable grip and ensuring safe usage. One of the standout features of this suction cup is its strong suction power, thanks to the natural rubber suction pad. This ensures a secure hold on various surfaces, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're fixing gapped laminate floors, using it as a safety handrail in the bath, lifting tiles, removing and installing car windshields, or moving heavy glass walls or aquariums, this suction cup delivers reliable performance. Number 2. The Maxim Clamp Bench Vise is a heavy-duty and versatile tool designed for woodworking, DIY projects, and handcraft creations. Priced at $65.98, this bench vise boasts rugged quality castings, making it durable and reliable for a wide range of tasks. The vise is forged from an all-steel base material, with a chrome-plated spindle and net-fixed support, ensuring sturdy construction and longevity. One of the key features of this bench vise is its 360-degree new pivot ball design. The spherical design allows the head to rotate a full 360 degrees, while the oblique side can be tilted up to 45 degrees, providing flexibility and ease of use for multi-angle operations. This integrated design makes it convenient to use without the need to remove the vise, enhancing efficiency during tasks. With a maximum height of 8.6 inches and a maximum opening of the jaws reaching 65 millimeters, this bench vise offers universal sizing to accommodate various workpieces. The width of the jaws is approximately 3.5 inches, 88 millimeters, and the fixed table features rubber pads to prevent wear on the tabletop caused by force. The locking pin intersects and locks the ball and socket joint, providing stability and security during use. Number 3. The 60X Upgraded Carbide Tipped Wood Turning Tool Set, priced at $72.99, is a game-changer for woodworking enthusiasts. Featuring quick-release alloy handles with a redesigned knurled collet, blade replacement takes only seconds without the need for screw tools. The 2-in-1 handles with 2 blades not only save time but also extend handle length for added convenience. The non-slip solid aluminum alloy handles provide stability, while the polished and brushed stainless steel cutter bar ensures durability. The indexable carbide cutter inserts can be rotated or replaced for a consistently sharp edge. This set simplifies the learning curve for wood turning, allowing both beginners and experienced turners to start projects quickly. With its innovative design and high-quality materials, the 6-ox set is a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit, promising efficiency, ease of use, and exceptional results. Number 4. The KIMO 20-volt 3/8-inch cordless electric ratchet wrench set, priced at $117.29, is a powerhouse tool designed to tackle tough projects with ease. With two 2000 mAh batteries included, users can alternate between them for continuous power without interruption, extending the runtime by 100% and the battery lifespan by 150%. Delivering exceptional power with 74 lbs of torque and 400 RPM, this electric ratchet wrench effortlessly handles stubborn bolts and nuts, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its compact design and low-profile head allow easy maneuverability in tight spaces, perfect for automotive, construction, or mechanical applications. Equipped with an onboard LED work light, this ratchet wrench illuminates dark work areas, enhancing visibility and efficiency without the need for additional lighting sources. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Built to withstand tough working conditions, this ratchet wrench set includes multiple security protections such as a safety lock, overload protection, and battery protection mechanisms. With 7 sockets, a 3-inch extension bar, a 3/8" to 1/4" drive adapter, and a tool bag included, this versatile set is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic. Number 5. The AwithZ Battery Spot Welder is a versatile and convenient tool priced at $49.99, offering a hassle-free solution for spot welding tasks. One notable feature is its innovative design that eliminates the need for a separate spot welding pen, making it compact and portable for use anywhere. This spot welder is compatible with cylindrical batteries like 18,650, 26,650, 36,650, as well as other electronic devices requiring batteries. It's particularly useful for repairing electronic devices damaged by battery issues, allowing for battery replacement and extending the device's lifespan. Operating the spot welder is straightforward with only 2 buttons, labeled for easy use. With 11 adjustable gears, users can tailor the output power to different materials, ensuring precise and efficient spot welding. The spot welder's versatility allows it to handle various tasks, from mobile phone battery repairs to nickel plate welding. Despite its compact size, the spot welder incorporates multiple protection measures, including overcharge protection, temperature protection, short circuit protection, abnormal battery temperature alarm, and low cell voltage alarm. These features ensure safety and reliability during use, providing peace of mind for users. Number 6. The AutoCraft Mini Polisher and Sander, priced at $59.99, is a versatile and convenient tool designed for a variety of detailing, polishing, sanding, and cleaning tasks. Its compact 3-inch size and lightweight design make it ideal for working in narrow spaces and tight corners, allowing for precise and efficient work. Featuring a hook and loop design, the polisher allows for quick and easy replacement of pads and wool cushions, enhancing efficiency during tasks. The high-performance motor provides reliable power for waxing, polishing, sanding, and cleaning applications, making it suitable for car detailing, wood sanding, rust removal, and sink scrubbing. With 2 variable speed settings, 0 to 2,600 RPM for low speed and 0 to 7,800 RPM for high speed, users can adjust the speed according to their specific needs, ensuring optimal performance for different tasks. The detachable side handle can be installed in 2 positions for better balance, control, and comfort during use. The cordless design of the polisher eliminates the hassle of dealing with messy cords, providing more convenience and flexibility during use. It comes with a 2.0 Ah rechargeable battery that offers power for small jobs or DIY projects, allowing for short-term use without the need for cords. Number 7. The labor-saving arm jack, 2 pieces, is an essential tool priced at $69.98, designed to support and stabilize various frames and structures. With its versatile functionality, it's suitable for lifting doors, windows, cabinets, drywall, furniture, and more. The tool features a removable clamp on the top, doubling as a clamping tool when installed in reverse, adding to its versatility. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tool set has a maximum load capacity of 440 pounds and a maximum lift height of 7 inches, ensuring durability and reliability for a wide range of home use scenarios. The lifting plate and base of the unit are covered with a protective silicone layer, preventing damage to wooden floors and increasing friction with lifted items for safer use. Additionally, the set comes with a portable and storable tool bag, allowing for easy transportation and storage of the tools. The bag also offers additional storage space for other small tools, enhancing convenience during work. Number 8. The portable stained grinder mini glass diamond ceramics art DIY desktop grinding tool machine is priced at $78, offering versatility and convenience for various grinding tasks. This electric grinder is suitable for glass, marble, ceramic, and other hard materials, making it ideal for glass processing, arts, and decoration projects. With its ability to grind a variety of geometric shapes, including planes, curves, fillets, and oblique planes, this stained glass grinder is a versatile tool for artists and craftsmen. Its mini size makes it easy to operate, while its stable and reliable performance ensures efficient grinding results. The grinder features automatic water feeding for added convenience during use. Additionally, it comes with a concave switch design to prevent electricity leakage, ensuring the safety of users and their families. Number 9. The Ratchet Cordless Impact Wrench is a powerful and versatile tool priced at $98.99, designed to tackle various tightening and loosening tasks with ease. With 5 torque options ranging from 100 Nm to 400 Nm, and 5 shock frequencies from 2000 BPM to 3200 BPM, this impact wrench enables quick and efficient net removal or tightening, making it suitable for both professional and DIY use. Equipped with 5 variable speeds and an electric brake, users can easily control the speed of the wrench to protect nuts and bolts from falling or damage after loosening. This makes it versatile for a wide range of applications, including tire removal or repairs on cars, motorcycles, trucks, and major construction projects. The impact wrench comes with a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery and a 1-hour fast charger, providing ample power and quick charging for continuous use. The built-in LED light illuminates dark work environments, while the belt clips make it convenient to carry around, allowing for hands-free operation. Additionally, the tool includes 9 accessories and a carry bag, making it a complete package ready for tough jobs. With its user-friendly design and comprehensive accessories, the Ratchet Cordless Impact Wrench is a reliable and efficient tool for various repair and maintenance tasks. Number 10. The Archaeotane 130 ampere MIG Welder is a versatile and efficient welding machine priced at $169.99, offering various welding modes to meet different requirements. With its synergic control feature, the welding current and wire feeding speed are automatically matched after selecting the diameter of the welding wire: 0.030 inch, 0.035 inch, 0.040 inch flux core wire, making it easier for beginners and those learning to weld. This 3-in-1 welder offers flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding modes, providing flexibility for various welding tasks. With adjustable current and 10-speed variable feed controls, users can achieve perfectly managed flux core welding of carbon steel, stainless steel, or thicker steel. It's ideal for home DIY projects, outdoor repairs, rusty metal, farm and road equipment maintenance, and repairs. Safety is a top priority with this welder, featuring built-in overcurrent protection, overload protection, overheating, and overvoltage function to extend the lifespan of the machine and ensure user safety. The welder comes with an attached MIG torch and power cable, allowing users to start welding immediately after unpacking the box. Compact and portable. This welding machine weighs only 11.79 pounds, making it easy to carry anywhere with a handle or shoulder strap. Overall, the Archaeotane 130 ampere MIG Welder is a reliable and versatile tool for various welding applications, offering convenience, safety, and efficiency for both beginners and experienced welders.